In this episode, we're outside Brighton Police Station, and what starts as a simple bit of filming quickly turns into a standoff. Officers come out, questions start flying, and suddenly the conversation shifts to laws, powers, and even threats of arrest. Now, most people in that moment would panic and hand over their details. But not here. The auditor stands firm, holds his ground, and pushes back against every claim. This is more than just an audit. It's a real look at how authority reacts when a member of the public knows their rights. And the outcome says a lot about policing today. Let's get into it.
Hello? Hi. Are you? Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Are you exciting?
I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify
Identify what?
yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you're right.
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should, really.
You can see my warrant number. You can see my warrant
Is that how
number.
you would identify to a judge?
To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that, would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public,
Yeah,
do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then, so I don't have to
I'm a member of the public, though, and you serve the
So if
public.
you ask me nicely what my name is...
What's your name, miss?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton Police Station video.
Brighton Police Station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that...
One?
Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No, why would I...
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station and I'm not
Is that-
wondering why.
is that
Well,
a problem?
It can be.
Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can it be a problem? What can I possibly do?
Well, what do you think? This current day and age.
What current day and age?
Okay, can you just not film my face for a minute,
No, I
please?
will film your
No, I
face.
don't need to film my face.
Yeah, well, you
because
shouldn't
as much
move
as
forward.
you have a right of way as a member of the public,
Yeah.
I am also a member of the public.
Okay, I'm filming
No,
from public.
that's
You should know
absolutely
that I
fine,
can
but you don't need to film my face.
I
Carry
will
on
film
filming
your.
that
I
way.
will film your face.
No, don't film my face.
What are you gonna do?
Do you have ID on
What are you
you?
gonna do about it?
Okay, under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I require you
Section
to
1 of
provide...
PACE.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
a search power actually.
It is a search power.
So what are you searching
Currently, well, at the moment...
So am I
you're-
detained?
No, I haven't said you're detained.
for? Why are you bringing up Section 1 of PACE?
The first thing she asks for is ID. Let's be absolutely clear. In the UK, you're not required to carry or show ID unless you're driving, or unless specific powers apply. Section 50 of the Police Reform Act is one example. Name and address if you're suspected of antisocial behavior. But instead of that, she jumps to Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act allows stop and search where reasonable suspicion you're carrying stolen or prohibited articles, such as knives, burglary tools, fireworks, or stolen goods. However, it does not authorize an ID check. It does not mean you must identify yourself because you're filming. What she said here was flat out wrong, and you can see how quickly she retreats once she's challenged on it.
Let's get this right now, yeah? Let's not make any mistakes now, yeah?
Why are you videoing?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about Section 1 of PACE. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to
you
hear
want
you
to
talk about
So, what questions do you have for us?
police code of practice. Let me hear about the PACE.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, no, you were saying something about Section 1. No, let's hear about that. Let's hear about that. Yeah, I'm gonna film your
In
face.
fact,
all
what
I
I'll
want.
do, I'll film my face. That's
Yeah, I
absolutely
will.
fine. I'm going to go this way now, and I'm just going to go speak to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring? Yeah.
Monitoring what?
So you don't come in the police station?
I know you've got signage, so I won't come in. It's fine. There's signage there, so there's no implied right of access.
If someone's filming for security reasons, we have to come.
Don't be a bully like her, please.
I'm not being
I know,
bullied.
but you should. I know you absolutely. I know you're not. I'm just saying.
It's the security of
Okay,
the police
how am I breaching your security? You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully? A bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that and make sure you never act like that with a member of the public.
She then tries to claim the auditor could be arrested for trespass. Wrong. Again, trespass is a civil matter, not criminal. The only time it becomes criminal is aggravated trespass, and that requires intent to disrupt lawful activity. Filming on a public pavement does not qualify. So this was another baseless threat designed to move him on without legal grounds.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand? Good. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yes, my name's Alicia, and my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean, police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else? You got better things to do today than just
No.
film a police station?
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you. Hiya.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though. Alright. So I wasn't meaning to be rude. I just thought that there would be, you know, higher sort of fitness requirement. Look at the state of these, like.
Can you just stand back of the boundary, please? You're not on a public right away there, you're in the police station, you can get arrested for trespass.
You'll be arrested
You sure?
for trespassing if you don't back off.
What offence is that?
Go back to.
What offence is trespass?
Go back on.
Don't
Go
touch
back
me,
on
don't
then.
touch me.
I'm
don't
allowed
touch
to
me.
touch you to remove you from property.
Trespass is not an offence. You
You
can't.
film as much as you like, but you don't come over that boundary there, because then you're in the police station, you
why
can be
does it- why does it
arrested for
matter if I'm- why
trespass.
does-
No,
trespass
I'm
is
going
a
to just
civil
move you
matter.
back, that's the pay.
Now, here comes another PCSO. Different attitude. He's calmer, a bit more conversational, asking the auditor as a blogger what he's filming for. But the same problem shows up again when it comes to accountability. While PCSOs don't have full powers of a constable, everything they can do comes from what their chief constable has designed to them in writing. Things like issuing fixed penalty notices, seizing alcohol, or dispersal powers.
Don't touch me.
Well, don't
So are we going to
don't
argue over this?
touch.
Are we going to argue over this little piece
No,
of
no,
tarmac?
I'm going now, you stay on the pavement and you're absolutely fine.
You can't arrest me for trespass. Yeah, you're dismissed. Go away,
I
weirdo.
don't need to arrest you because you're not doing
Yeah, what was that about section 1 of pace? Yeah, you bottled it. Yeah, you bottled it. You bottled it. You bottled it. Yeah, I will enjoy my video, and I'll come back on. I'll come back on your property as well.
Can you get back out of the police station, please?
What? I'm literally. What difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and
Right.
once only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This
it is.
wall-
And I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I
the
can
police
film you
station.
there as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, instead of talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public domain.
You can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this wall.
trespass either. You'll be sued if you do that.
Well, try
There's
and see
what
it,
offence?
that's
What
fine.
offence? What offence is
I'm saying
trespass?
to you, you cannot come into the police station, okay? This is the pavement, the public domain. You can stay there, that's absolutely fine.
Right, dismissed. Bye, weirdo.
We've got paperwork.
You're a weirdo, man. Go away.
We've got better stuff to do.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify?
Yeah. So what happened? I mean, I just walked by, so my colleague-
She tried to say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay.
She tried to threaten me with section 1 of pace.
Okay.
She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing.
Okay.
As you know, trespass is a civil matter. So lots of mistakes,
Okay.
lots of
But,
things
I
that
mean,
probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm
you're
just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether
Yeah,
I'm standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, my obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Designation.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asked if you could just step over there.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a lot to ask. I appreciate.
Yeah, and it's not.
You
I'm
can
yeah.
film, you're welcome
But look.
to film.
What's the difference if I stand there or there? What can I
Well,
possibly achieve
technically,
from here?
it's
We're just
private
exercising
property.
jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card
I mean,
before I
my
engage with you?
designation is PC.
No,
so-
you have a designation card which shows me
My
what powers you
card,
have.
yeah.
No, designation card because you're a
No,
PCSO.
we don't carry
Oh, you should really carry it.
We have it, everything in
No,
our.
it's not requirements for us.
Yeah.
And while it's not set out in the law, they must carry a designation card on them at all times. Home Office guidance. And most police forces say they should be able to show the public what powers they've been given. Some forces issue a physical card. Some keep it logged in pocket notebooks. But the principle is the same. Transparency. Here, when the auditor asks to see his designation card, he doesn't produce it. That might not technically be unlawful, but it's poor practice. If you're exercising powers over the public, you should be able to prove what powers you actually have. So, once again, it leaves the public in the dark and it weakens trust. Calm tone or not, it's another example of why these encounters matter.
It's all on our
But
police.
what's the
You
matter?
sure it's not? You sure it's not a requirement for you to carry it?
But why?
If you
and
want-
produce
if you
it.
want to look at our powers, you can go onto
No, don't worry. I'm well aware of your powers. I'm just seeing if you're going to follow your policy or not.
I mean, you know, like.
We're going to leave now, okay? You can
Yeah, thanks. I will
But
continue.
If you come any further into the police station, what's the other police colleagues have to do?
Have to and do what?
It's not about doing. It's about also having a mutual respect. Obviously, they have explained.
What mutual respect? I'm not doing anything illegal, am I?
I mean, I asked you politely, like, why are you filming?
Because I want to. I don't need to have a reason.
Just for my curiosity. I mean, what are you a blogger or what is
Doesn't
your
matter why-
expectation?
Doesn't matter. Simple
Okay.
as that.
Okay, that's fine.
Doesn't matter. You see, like.
You shouldn't wear that. You're defacing the British flag by wearing that. That's a gang sign. You shouldn't really be wearing that.
Okay, right. We'll go now.
Yeah, have you learned something
Okay,
today?
so we're
You've
gonna
learned a few
draw.
things today, yeah?
Okay. All right, we're going to draw.
And it's a
please,
requirement for you to carry your designation card.
Yeah, we have it in our pocket notebook, so we
It's all
have
in
every.
there.
Yeah.
All right, let me see it.
Yeah, it's not about you.
The member of the
seeing it,
public's asking for it right now. I'm requiring you to show me your designation
if you go
card.
online, you will be able to see it. But
I'm not online now, am I? I'm asking you.
But what I'm saying is, my colleague has explained to you, if you don't step into this private property, you are more than welcome to film on the road, whatever you're doing. I think there is another gentleman who is skateboarding. They are happily doing that. But if you wanted to film in that, that's fine enough. Okay. All right.
Well, we'll see you later.
See you
okay?
later. Bye.
That woman was a definite tyrant, guys. That first one, definite tyrant, talking about section 1 of PACE and da. She said, under section 1 of PACE, I'm requiring you to identify yourself. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of PACE is a stop and search power. This woman's clueless. Basically, one of your colleagues, I was filming. Naturally, she asked me to stop filming. Then she tried to require my ID under section 1 of PACE, and then backpedaled. So I don't think that was good practice. As we're aware, PACE is a stop and search power, right? So I don't know if she was trying to flex or I don't know what she was doing, but
I mean, I can't possibly comment
Of
on
course.
it because I wasn't there.
you asked me the question, and
I just
Yeah.
went by the police station.
yeah, I'm just making a video. Police
Oh, okay. Do you know what you could do, which might be...
escorted tour.
What's that?
Can I get an escorted
Do you know
tour?
what I was going to suggest?
Can I jump in the back?
No, you're not allowed. I'm really sorry. So the reason is we're not insured, sadly.
Okay.
But if you're interested in the police, why don't you go down to the front office and see what they can offer you and what you can do as a member of the public?
Okay.
Because they'd be doing it.
I know where it is. Yeah.
So have you been in before?
I've never been here before. This is my first Brighton rodeo.
Oh, okay. Are you from Brighton?
No.
What would you like?
I'm not required to give names, sorry.
No, you don't have to.
What's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course. I can tell you.
You're very friendly, thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's PC Fraser.
Okay.
But I think if you want to find out about the police and you want to find out about things, if you walk up this hill here and round to the front office, then they'll be able to help you.
To be fair, PC, I'm more interested in exercising my right to film from a public place and not being interfered with. That's more of the point. You know.
You find is obviously if you film in the rear of the police station.
Yes.
There is security concerns. with cars
Okay.
and things
Is this
like
not a secure building?
that. Say again?
Is this not a secure building?
It's a police station.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very secure.
You've got the appropriate signage on there. I understand. I don't have an implied right of access, so I'm sticking to the public boundary. Yeah.
Be prepared that you're going to have a lot of officers who want to know what you're up to.
Would you circulate it so I won't?
The police officers have curiosity if someone's filming the rear of a police
Why? This is a lawful activity. I wouldn't really expect this to pique anyone's interest.
We're not going to find out with you. All it says,
Alright.
be aware of what the police says.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, if this is a police vehicle.
Yeah.
If it's a police vehicle, you can see us on the street. You can see us coming out of the station.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is the limit for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yeah, so I'm aware of the signage. I can read the signage.
Okay. And if you want to find out more about the police, then obviously go round to the front office and talk to them.
I'm
But-
finding out a lot as we speak. Just
that's
by virtue of me
absolutely
filming,
fine. Okay.
I'm learning a lot.
But we will ask you because that's our job.
And you're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. Do you want to give me your name?
No, I'm not going to give no names.
Okay.
No.
All right. Well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get response to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them. But obviously this isn't the greatest place to be
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving traffic.
No,
Don't worry
I
about it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your
you're gonna get the same
suggestion,
amount-
but
you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
all right.
You'll be
You'll
safer.
be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it. Thanks.
I hope you do.
Bye.
All right. Bye bye.
You too, sir.